咁我哋最後就講埋 Part B 嘅部分啦。咁就話咧，根據翻個 Item One 啦，咁其實咧就利用翻一個咧accounting principle，一個最相關嘅 accounting principle 咧，就去解釋翻咧點解阿 Ray 咧話增加個 percentage of allowance 呢樣嘢咧係正確嘅。點解佢係正確嘅咧？咁呢度嘅話咧，其實咧，如果你睇翻 point number one 咧，就話因為咧，其實咧，Ray 就係覺得個經濟差咗，咁所以咧，佢就會增加嗰個 percentage of allowance 去到6% of 個 trade receivables 嘅。咁呢個其實都幾明顯啦。咁其實係因為保守概念 prudence。咁 prudence 咧之下咧，其實我哋就話咧，應該我哋要 adopt accounting policy which are less likely to overstate assets and profits。咁咧其實咧，如果有得揀嘅話咧，我哋應該要揀一啲政策咧，係唔會咧係最低嘅機會咧去overstate 我哋 assets 或者 profits。換句話說就係我哋唔想咧去誇大我哋 assets 或者 profits 嘅。咁而你都識講經濟差啦，咁所以經濟差咧就其實咧都幾大嘅風險咧，就係啲人咧就係還唔到錢嘅，係啦。咁呢個應該唔算話好難去推論出嚟嘅啫，喺經濟差嘅情況。咁所以咧，如果係經濟差，既然你都估計咧係啲客人咧都應該係大機會還唔到錢嘅時候咧，咁其實咧保守啲咧，阿 Ray 咧去提高咧嗰個 percentage of allowance 咧，其實絕對係合理嘅咯。咁呢度咧，我嘗試咧都寫咗啲資料俾大家睇，因為咧，如果你真係做譬如 statement of financial position，你真係最後咧，如果睇翻呢間公司個財務狀況咧，其實咧statement of financial position 咧就住 trade receivables 咧，咁其實咧你應該咧係有215000蚊嘅。咁因為咧呢個咧就好明顯咧喺第一段嗰度咧就話咧2024年個 trade receivable account balance 咧年尾咧就係215000蚊。咁咧，而如果你係咧，即係處理咗 Part A 啊，你知道個撥備咧，個 closing balance 咧，個撥備咧，個 closing balance 就係17360嘅。咁所以咧，換句話說就係本身咧債仔咧就有215000蚊，咁我哋諗住收到呢筆錢翻嚟啦。咁但係保守概念咧，我哋就咧希望咧盡量就係 adopt 一啲 policy 咧，就唔好誇大我哋啲 assets 或者 profits。咁所以咧，我哋就 adopt 呢個 policy 啦。咁 allowance 咧提升咗嘅話咧，咁其實即就去咗17360。咁而如果係咁咧，allowance 咧就係準備定。原來咧215000蚊嘅債仔入邊咧，我哋準備咧有17360蚊嘅債仔可能還唔到錢㗎，我哋準備定先，係啦。咁所以咧呢度咧其實咧係會咧可以做個扣減翻啦，喺一個 contract access 嘅時候咧，咁其實我哋就計到啦，我哋嘅 net trade receivables，咁其實咧我哋健康嘅債仔扣減咗呢一啲準備，我哋其實預計咧都只係得翻咧197,640蚊嘅債仔係可以收到翻啲錢，還翻啲錢俾我哋嘅啫。咁所以呢度咧，其實你見得到咧，就係藉住一啲 accounting policy，藉住 allowance 提升翻嘅時候咧，咁其實咧我哋就唔會 overstate 我哋嘅 access， 唔會 overstate 我哋嘅 trade receivables。咁呢度咧題外話啦，咁咧今年咧嘅 market meeting 啊，或者個briefing 啦，咁其實咧都強調咧，就記得咧個定義 prudence 嘅定義咧，就記得強調翻咧係 adopt accounting policy 呢個位。咁所以咧，咁可能一啲嘅accounting principle 嘅定義啊，咁盡量都跟翻咧一啲 marking scheme 啦，跟翻咧考評嗰個 marking scheme 俾我哋嗰個 definition 咧，咁就最好啦，咁就最肯定可以攞足分數啦。